Oh boy. Today I'm gonna show you how I made $7,000 doing eBay dropshipping in a month. Let's go! How's it going, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Patrick, and what I do on this channel, I talk about eBay dropshipping. And today I want to show you my monthly results for my new eBay dropshipping store that I opened last month. If you've seen my video 2 videos ago, I think it was 2 videos ago, I talk about how my old account got flagged, and it made me decide to open a new one and record the results and see how much money will I make. So as you can see by the title of this video, I made $7,000 in sales, which for some might be good, for some might be For me, I'm the type of person that I think I could do better. However, there is a big thing that I want to mention. I could sell more. I could probably make more money, but the reason being why I only made $7,000 in sales is because I don't want to go under eBay radar. I don't want them to see my account. I don't want to be a new guy on the block with 50,000 sales, and then eBay is gonna be like, what's going on here? This guy is fishy. How's that possible? He has no reviews, and how he made $50,000 in sales. So I don't want to be that guy. I want to grow slowly. We're taking time here. It's a marathon, not a sprint. I'm not. I have time. If you don't know what eBay dropshipping is, I have a million videos about it. But basically, it's a business model where you don't own any inventory. You sell stuff on eBay, and you can either get them from like big retailers like Walmart, Home Depot, or Costco, whatever, or you do wholesaling, which is you look for like independent wholesalers and you're trying to bargain a deal where they allow you to dropship stuff. In this case, I only did the Walmart thing, so I use Walmart as my supplier, walmart.com. Anyone can go there, anyone can access this. You can do it as well. So I found stuff on Walmart, I sold them on eBay with like 20% upcharge. So if someone buys an item from me on eBay, what I do is I go on Walmart, order that item and send it directly to them, and the difference between the price on Walmart and my price on eBay, that's my profit. I only had 55 listings, no more. I could probably add more, but again, it's this idea of not going under eBay radar. I also use only Walmart as my main supplier. I didn't use any other websites. So 55 items from Walmart, 1 month, 7,000 in sales. How much profit did I make? I'm gonna show you this right now, but first, let's review my journey. Let's review the day by day how they happen. I want to show you my eBay account, and the results are legit, so you can believe me.
Okay, so as you can see, we made over $7,000 in sales. I'm gonna refresh this page to confirm that this is all legit. So I'm gonna click refresh. Boom, 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 and still we got 7,000 in sales. I started on October 16. No, I actually started on October 15, but I think I haven't sold anything. So the first sale came in October 16, and then we slowly grew here. I'll just go slowly through the transactions. So as you can see, it's a mix of small and bigger transactions. Basically, I would say around this time, I added more listings. So before that, I had only maybe like 10 listings, and then around this time I start adding more listings, up to 50 plus listings. I think I have 56 listings, something like that. So it starts slowly growing. Then on this day, nothing happened. I'm not sure why, and I had a huge spike in the recent days. That's probably because my listings start getting momentum, and I also got some feedback. Right now I have 10 positive feedbacks.
All right, so we got this part down. Now let's go to the meat of this video, which is the profit. So let's see the breakdown of the profit. Now, something worth mentioning before I show you the spreadsheet, etc., is that I have used cashback website called simplybestcoupons.com, basically giving me additional 2% cashback on any purchase. So that's like 2% extra money for me. And I have a credit card with Walmart that gives me 5% cashback as well. So that's another 5% profit money for me. You can also use gift cards, discounted gift cards, as a way of making extra money. So let's say you buy a card that's worth $100 for $95. That's basically 5% cash back as well. You can count it as a 5% cash back. So these are just ideas how you can maximize your profit. But let me stop here. Here's the video. Here's the breakdown of my profit. Enjoy.
Okay guys, so welcome back. So this is the spreadsheet of my eBay dropshipping challenge. I was dropshipping from Walmart, strictly from Walmart. I didn't use any other programs. I mean, any other suppliers, retail suppliers. And this is a full month of dropshipping. I started on October 15, 2020, and I finished on November 15, 2020. Again, I mean, I still have this store open. I didn't close it down, but those are only results from these days, from the last month. So I want to show you how much I made, what's the total profit, and what's the total profit from my bonus cashback websites and the credit card. This spreadsheet is not very clean. There are some returns, there are some cancellations, and I want to explain why, I had cancellations and stuff like that. So I marked the returns with the purple sign. That means that transaction is not really counting because I had to return it and I get the money back. So when you do the return, you basically come up, you get the money back from Walmart and you give money back to your customer on eBay. However, it should be zero, right? You should be like, everything should be balanced out and it should be zero. However, the only thing that you are not getting back is the 30 cents from PayPal. So PayPal is not giving you back the 30 cents transaction fee that they charge. PayPal charges 2.9% plus 30 cents. So 2.9% plus 30 cents. So they return that 2.9% of the fees, but not that 30 cents. So every time you have a return or a cancellation, you lose that 30 cents, which, it's annoying, but at the end of the day, it's only 30 cents, so it's not that bad. So you can see my fees right here. This is for the eBay fees and the PayPal fees. I don't have managed payments yet, so since this is a new account, I haven't been qualified yet. So those are the only two fees I have. Then I have the tax, which is collected by eBay. eBay is collecting the tax for me, so I don't have to really worry about it. Product cost plus shipping. So this is how much I'm paying. The product cost is basically the price of the product on Walmart.com. And sometimes I have to pay the shipping because I'm not tax exempt to all the states. There are some states that I still haven't registered for the tax exemption. I have to pay the shipping. The solution to shipping is when I have to pay for shipping, I basically have selected those states to get charged extra on eBay. So if someone orders, for example, I'm not tax exempt in Florida. So if someone orders an item and they want to get it delivered to Florida, I have the search charge set up on eBay. That way I make sure that I make profit. I'm not losing any money. This is actually an example here. So this guy, I'm not sure, but I think this guy ordered something and he is from Florida. So he was charged $4.66 on my eBay account and I had to pay the shipping cost for that, which is already included in the price right here. All right, so we got the return. I already talked about it. But then if you scroll down, you can see, pretty clean. And then we get here. So over here, I got few cancellations at the beginning. So let me explain what has happened. Basically, Walmart has run out of stock for some of these products. And I had few orders that my reordering system, which is AutoDS. I know I've expressed mixed feelings about the AutoDS, but after a consideration and using other softwares, I came out to the solution that AutoDS is the easiest one to use. It's relatively cheap and they all kind of work the same. If you do retail dropshipping, repricing is something, it's the biggest problem, I guess, that you have to challenge. If you know how to challenge, if you are good with customer service, cancellations are not really a big deal. That's why, to me, I don't really care about these cancellations. It might lower my metrics a little bit, but I'm good with this. I'm good with handling these problems, and I'm a problem solver in general, so it's not a big deal to me. So the cancellations, again, it works the same as the returns. You lose 30 cents of the PayPal fees, which is fine. So I basically removed that item. I think it was just a combination of two items that were constantly getting out of stock orders. So I just removed those items completely from my database, and you can see that, it's pretty clean from there. I only have 55 listings. I'm gonna scale this app every month. So maybe this month I will add another like 20 listings or so. Next month I will add another 20. Basically, I'm just trying to grow this naturally and slowly. I don't want to explode. So it looks for eBay, when they look at my account, they're gonna be like, oh, this guy is like, learning and slowly progressing. I don't want to explode. This is not my point. I just want to be slow progression. This is a marathon, not a sprint, so I don't really care how quickly I will grow. So right here, I have the profits, and there are 3 columns, and I want to explain what each column stands for. So this one, 398, this is a column that stands for pure profit. And what I mean by pure profit is basically just the money from pure selling. So, I have an item for $50, I sell it for 65, I subscribe the fees, and that's the profit. So this is the pure profit just from selling, which is 398, about $400. The total number of sales was 7,353. So 400, that's about what, 5%? Let's see, 7,353 times 5%. Whoops, let me restart. 7 times 3 times 5%. 367. So I guess it will be probably more close to 7,353 times 5.5%. Yeah, something about probably like 5.4%. So the pure profit is around 5.4% just from pure sales. These 2 tabs right here, those are what I call bonus profits from the cashback website and credit card cashbacks that Walmart has. So for the cashback website, I use the website called simplybestcoupons.com. It's this one. And whenever I do a sales, I first go here and click on Walmart, and I click on shop now, and then I order my stuff from here. That way, you do it for each transaction, because each transaction is being like resetted. So I do it for whenever I have an order, I do go first to Simply Best Coupons, then click shop now. So the total number of cashback I got from this website is basically $105. And then I sign up for the Walmart credit card cashback website, which gives you 5% cashback. I've been using it for all the orders so far. So whenever I have an order, I order through this credit card and I pay it immediately. And then the cashback is being accumulated in the points, and I can redeem those points into a check or, travel websites, Amazon, whatever. The total amount of cashback from the credit card is $284. So if I add up all these 3 things, the pure profit plus the bonus profit, it comes up to $789, which is about 10%, which is pretty good. That's a pretty good profit margins. Even the 5% just from, pure profit is a pretty good number. It might look like I didn't make much. It's only $789, which is not an amount that will allow you to, have an actual life and pay for your rent and bills and etc. But remember, this is just the first month, and I only have 55 listings, and this is highly scalable. I can add more listings. I can have 1,000 listings, and you can multiply this. So imagine me having 1,000 listings, which other people do. I know dropshippers that have 1,000 of listings from just Walmart, etc. So imagine me having 1,000 listings. Right now I only have 55. So what I can do with 1,000, this is a scalable business that you can grow. I'd say getting 10%, 10% profit margins, that's pretty good for this business model. So I'm pretty happy with the results, and it's only been the first month, so we'll see how we grow later, and maybe I'll do more updates about this profile and let you know what it looks like.
I hope you liked the video on the breakdown of profit. If you like this type of content, please follow me. I'm definitely gonna make more videos about eBay dropshipping, but I also do some other stuff like investing and marketing. At the end of the day, this channel name is Patrick Marketer. I don't know why I decided of this word marketer, but I guess it's because I try to show different methods of making money online. Anyway, please stay safe. I hope you enjoy your day, and I see you on the next one, okay? Cześć!